All right, so we'll take a look at a couple of questions from the 3.8 worksheet. Totally write these answers down. That's totally fine. So you could factor this one via decomposition, but you're going to end up with some really, really big numbers. So we're going to take a bit of a shortcut, I suppose. It only works in these special cases. We'll talk about that a little bit more once we have our answer. So let's take a look at what we've got here with our first term and our last term. Right, when we're factoring, that's always where we started, right? We always would look at the first and the last term and we do things with them and all of that neat stuff. But in this case, we're going to take a look and we're going to see, are those perfect squares? Right? If we were to take the square root of that, would we get a nice, proper, clean answer? And in this case, yes, we would. If we take the square root of 36a squared, that's going to be 6a. If we take the square root of 121b squared, that's going to equal 11b. Now, ideally, in a perfect world and in a perfect example, we could just go, okay, our factors are going to be that, 6a plus 11b. We kind of have to worry about this middle term here. So we can check to see if this is going to work. And we do it by taking this coefficient, and we multiply 2 times the 6 times the 11, and we'll get 132. So if that number is equal, right, to that number, the coefficient right there, then, and only then, is this our factored answer for the question, right? If this had been, this number here had been something besides 132, or if this number here had been something besides 132, then we could not use this method. Right, but here's one of those special cases, right, where we have the same factor, right? It's going to be 6a plus 11b times 6a plus 11b. So this is one of those special occasions where we can kind of take a shortcut like that. Because like I said earlier, if you tried to do this one via decomposition, you would get some ridiculously large numbers, and they'd have to add up to like 132, they'd have to multiply to whatever 36 times 121 is, and that's too much. So when you're looking at topic 8 and questions from topic 8, this is something that you can definitely consider.